Hi, my name is Camden. If you want to improve your English pronunciation, you got to start with the vowel sounds. In today's lesson, we're going to go over the vowel sounds in English for you to improve your pronunciation. Let's get started. First, we have the E sound, like meet, greet, seat, or heat. Meet, greet, seat, heat. Next, we have the I sound, like sit, bit, hit. Sit, bit, hit, kit, knit. That's it. You can do it. Next, we have the sound, like foot, book, crook, nook, foot, book, crook, nook. Great job. Keep practicing. Next is the sound, such as cup, up, pup, like puppy, sound. The next one is the oo sound. You, move, oo, you, move. Cute, you, move, cute. Next, we have the sound, like pen, bin. The sound, pin, bin, kin. Next, okay, this is about, abroad, the sound, about, abroad. Next, we have the sound, like bird, third, and yes, or, word. Heard, bird, third, word, heard. Great job. Keep it up. Every day is an opportunity for you to improve your English pronunciation. Next, we have or, like for, score, and more. I want more English pronunciation, Camden. Okay, so we got for, score, more. Let's keep going. If you want good English, this is the way to do it. You got to practice every day. This is the R sound. The R sound. Part. Start. Heart. Do you have some heart? I hope so. Motivation. Part. Start. Heart. One more. I know you can do it. The sound. The sound, like hot. I think I can do a better job on that H. Hot. not. Bot, like robot. Hot, not, bot. There you go. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 vowel sounds for the English language. If you want to improve, you can check out my links below in the description. You can book a class. You can also join my Telegram group and get free updates every single day to improve your English pronunciation and to keep developing your English fluency skills like a native. My name is Camden. If this video helps you improve your pronunciation, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos. Have a great day and keep improving your English every day like a native. Talk to you soon.